Oh, g'day. You gotta check this out. This is where I am. Big beautiful ocean right here. Now check that out. Now I don't know what you call that, but that is incredible sounds of nature. Put my hand over it. See, it's the sounds of nature. Sounds of nature. Isn't that remarkable? I find that to be truly remarkable. And that's what it is. It's just the wind going through there, making this wind tunnel there. Just shaped like that. Isn't that remarkable? David thinks it's remarkable. Boxer thinks it's remarkable. Elvis thinks it's remarkable. Tell you what, it's good to be here. It's good to be here. Shame that I'm gonna have to go home.